This is a video demonstration in which you will be watching how the activity of salivary amylase, which is an enzyme released by the salivary glands in your mouth. We will see and observe how the activity of this enzyme is decreased or is destructed by the factors such as pH and temperature. So in this video we will observe the findings, and we will make 5 test tubes in this video. Test tube 1 will be our standard, by which we will compare our results with, in other test tubes we will be adding a very concentrated acid. In another test tube we will be adding a very concentrated base, and in the other test tube we will be heating the solution, and in one test tube we will not be adding any of these factors. So now let's move on towards the video. So first of all, we are adding starch solution in all the test tubes. First of all, we are adding starch solution in all the test tubes. See, we have made 5 test tubes here. Test tube 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we are adding starch solution, about 1 ml of that in all the test tubes. Next, we have added iodine solution in test tube 1. This is our standard test tube. Next, we are adding salivary amylase in test tubes 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the saliva, and we are adding saliva in test tubes 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are adding sodium chloride in all the test tubes. About 0.5 ml of sodium chloride in, not all the test tubes, in test tubes 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next we will add 1% HCl in test tube 3. So we have added an acid in test tube 3. Now we are adding sodium bicarbonate, which is a strong base, in test tube 4. And test tube 5 will be heated for 15 minutes. Now we are adding iodine solution in test tube 2, and we will see the results. So you can see the solution in test tube 2 is colorless. In test tube 3, we are adding the iodine solution, and you can see a blue color in this test tube. Similarly, in test tube 4 and 5, we will add iodine solution and see the results. Again, a blue color in this test tube. So now we are adding iodine solution in the last test tube, and we can see a blue color appearing in the test tube. So this is how we have observed the activity of the enzyme in this video. So as you can see here, in the test tube 1 was our standard, by which we are comparing our results with. So in test tube 3, 4, and 5, we have seen a blue color, which means that in test tube 3 the activity of enzyme salivary amylase was was decreased or destructed by the strong acid. Test tube 4, the activity of enzyme was destroyed by the strong base, and in test tube 5, which was heated, the activity of enzyme was destroyed by the effect of strong heat. So and in test tube 2, as you can see, the solution remains colorless, which means that none of the factors were added in this test tube, and the starch solution was hydrolyzed to maltose, which means that the salivary amylase activity was present in test tube 2, because none of the factors were none of the factors affect the activity of salivary amylase enzyme. So this is how you can observe and see the activity of different enzymes. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much.